You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting Japanese word designating a Japanese traditional doll modeled after Bodhidharma. Okay, so it's essentially the Japanese emulating the name Dharma, yeah, because it's Bodhidharma. Okay, so the Japanese say it as Daruma, 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 Daruma. Yeah, it's easy. So it's almost Dharma, but they can't pronounce just Dharma in Japanese, or at least it'd be difficult, maybe, for Japanese. So they say it as Daruma. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.